Why airplanes fly so high? Why do airplanes fly so high in the sky? At high altitude, the air is thinner. That means less air resistance, which reduces drag and saves fuel. Flying high also helps pilots avoid bad weather like storms and turbulence. That's why most commercial aircraft cruise around 30,000 to 40,000 feet. So flying high isn't just for fun, it's for efficiency, comfort, and safety. This is Aviation, explained by Emma Lau. Don't forget to follow, like, share, comment, and subscribe for more cool aviation facts.